What's up, guys? Today we're looking at a Zeus Hifonics amp, and these just got released I think a couple weeks ago. This is the Zeus Delta ZD-1350.1D 1350 watt mono Super D class. So really nice color. They went like a textured black. Looks really good. You got your typical inputs. This amp does have the option to turn on by the RCA signal input, so you don't need a remote. So that might be handy to some of you guys. The Hifonics logo lights up as usual. And on this side we got 4-gauge power inputs and looks like 10-gauge speaker outs and a power and protect light. So nice looking solid little amplifier. So we'll see what it does. Usually, in my experience, the Zeus amps they don't put out what they say. It's usually like about half, and like the BRXs, they put out what they say. Dynamic usually are pretty close to it, but we'll see if my suspicions are correct. But nevertheless, it's a cool looking little amp, so let's get it hooked up and see what it does. Alright, 4 ohm test. It's rated at 350 watts at 1 ohm. At 4 ohms, sorry. Alright, and it did not make it. 234 watts uncertified at 4 ohms. And we drew 25.8 amps at 14.4 volts. And I'm going to put both the certified and uncertified numbers on the screen now. Alright, 2 ohm test. It's rated for 675 watts at 2 ohms. Oh, didn't make it. So we got 411 watts uncertified at 2 ohms. We drew 45.7 amps at 14.35 volts. So here are the 2 ohm test results up on the screen now. Alright, 1 ohm test. Can it do 1350? Not looking good, but we're going to try it anyway. Alrighty then. Wow, so 664 watts uncertified at 1 ohm, drew 81.2 amps at 14.3 volts. Oh well, let's try dynamic and see if she puts out any more dynamic at 1 ohm. Alright, dynamic burst. 1 ohm. A little bit more. So 716 dynamic at 1 ohm. Alright, well, hey, you guys got the information, so hopefully this is helpful. But it seems like the Zeus series always do about half of what they say on the box, so if you just kind of count on that, then you're good. It is a really nice looking amp, and it's very small. This thing's only about 10 inches long. The LED lights look good. I'm kind of digging the almost like a matte black finish. So alrighty guys, so that was the dyno on the brand new just released Zeus Delta Hifonics ZD-1350.1D.